let me introduce myself. My name is Revalina Aprilia. In this video, I want to tell about revenue. Okay, let's watch the video. First material is revenue. Revenue is the inflow of money or other economic value received by an entity or individual, company, or organization as a result of activity or business conducted within a certain period. Simply put, revenue is the money we got from various sources. According to Navarin, revenue is the various inflow of asset from the company activity to sell goods and service in one period that result in an increase in capital that does not come from investor. Second material is type of revenue. Revenue is a company can be divided into several types based on its source, namely 1. Sales revenue. The main revenue from the sales of product or good produced by the company. Example, revenue for selling clothes at retail store or car at dealership. Number 2, service revenue. Revenue earned from providing service to customer. Example, consultant revenue from consulting service provide to client. Number 3, interest revenue. Revenue from investment or deposit that earn interest. This includes interest from saving accounts or debt security held by the company. Number 4, rental revenue. Revenue earned from renting out property or other asset to other parties. Number 5 is other income. Income that is not directly related to the company main operation, such as gain from the sale of asset or dividend income. Third material is recognition and criteria for revenue. 19th century history, recognition of income third increased net worth but triggered excessive speculation, contributing to the economic crisis of the 1930. The approach shifted to conversation where revenue is recognized when realized or actual transaction. Revenue recognition criteria for FASB is 1. Reliability. The value of revenue can be measured reliably. 2. Existence. Here is a real external transaction. 3. Collectability. Cash can be collected. 4. Substantial completion. The earning process has been completed. Number 5. Realization and permanence. Recorded when realized and consistent. IFRS 15 approach is 1. Identify the contract. 2. Identify the perform obligation. 3. Determine the transaction price. 4. Allocate the transaction price. 5. Recognize revenue when obligations are met. A more rigorous and consistent approach ensuring transparent and reliable financial statement. 4. Material is measurement and criteria for revenue. Recognize and measurement criteria for revenue is EIS 19 or AASB 118 revenue is 1 sale of good, 2 rear of service, 3 interest, royalty, and dividend. 5 material is challenges for AASB and FISB in revenue recognition and measurement. 1. Existing literature does not provide substantial information on revenue transaction. Number 2, revenue transactions are increasingly complex. For example, in the case of transaction involving a combination of good, service, and financial transaction. 3. There are inconsistencies between the AISB framework and same applicable standard. 4. Existing standards do not yet describe in detail transaction involving multi-element revenue component or plan. Number 5. The FASB indicate that there is insufficient guides on revenue recognition and lack of conceptual basis to address relevant issue. Number 6. The 6 material is the rule of revenue in financial statement. Revenue is one of the main elements in the income statement, and its calculation will affect the gross profit, net profit, and profit margin of the company. High revenue generally reflect good operational performance, while low revenue could indicate decreased demand or operational challenges. 7 material is the importance of revenue for business sustainability. Stable and increasing revenue is key to a company's sustainability and growth. Strong revenue indicate the company's success in attracting and retaining customers, which means the company has sufficient resources to cover costs, pay debt, and increase profitability. Therefore, company need to continuously involve and understand customer need to maintain sustainable revenue. Revenue is the foundation of the company financial health, and a deep understanding of its concept and management will help company improve performance and competitive in the market. Okay, that was explanation about revenue. Hopefully useful, and see you.
Ba-da-da-dee, boo-da-da, boo-ba-da-da-da, ba-da-da-dee.